Alright, so I drilled this plate out, the 3 holes. The supercharger piece should fit in there, which it does. Let me just see if I could remove it. That was the impact. God damn, still doesn't come out. Oh, it did come off. Nice. So that's how it looks. This is the original. Going to be installing this on the snout. I was instructed to use red Loctite, which I have here. There you go. And I gotta torque this to 65 foot-pounds. Bring it down by hand. Got it there. It's at 65. This shit isn't bolted down to the ground. I just have it on the floor, so let's see if I'm able to get the 65. And we're good. 65. Maybe it's about that, but it's at 65. So now I need to install this little washer, a spacer, the pulley, let me get one in here just to line it up. So VMP has sent me this bolt out, but it would only engage maybe like 2 full turns. This one right here is slightly longer, but it gets a lot more bite. So I'm gonna be installing these longer ones. So now I gotta put blue Loctite on the Allens. Hopefully it's still got some, and it does. These had to be torqued to 72 inch-pounds. A little bit too much again on this guy. Oh shit. Barely noticed I'm gonna have to get in the adapter. Had to MacGyver some shit up, but let's see if that shit'll work. Remember, 72 inch-pounds. Well, gotta do the last one. And that is ready to drop into the supercharger.